Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that poor posture and excessive sitting can contribute to rhomboid muscle pain? If you are in a wheelchair, these exercises could be for you. It's time to learn some simple exercises to alleviate that discomfort. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right. Were you warming up?
No, I just wanted to make sure I didn't hit.
Now, these are 3 moves that you do in rehabilitation for your overly tight rhomboids, correct? All right. Now, I got you at an angle here. What's the first one? Okay. What's the second one? So out about, first one straight ahead, the other one, second one of about 30 degrees. All right.
And then twist.
Thumb down. Yes. Now, does she care if you lock your elbows out or not?
She didn't say.
Because a lot of times when you lock your elbow out, you really stress not unless you use heavy weight, the elbow joint, and you're working the triceps a lot. But if you're not really working about the triceps, you want to focus more on the upper back, particularly your rear deltoids and the rhomboids. You keep a slight bend in your elbow the whole time. Slight bend. Go. There. All right. Now, switch hands. Let's see you do it with the other one. Straight up. 30 degrees. Good. Right there.
And this is supposed to be on the flat surface.
It's supposed to be on a flat surface. You do change the work a little bit. The emphasis on the muscles. It's not a deal breaker. It's not the end of the world. This would work fine, I think. It'd be just as effective. But yeah, ideally, if you have a flat surface that you can lay on, a higher bench. Good, right there. You're going to do these 3 moves that we just did unilaterally with one arm, and you're going to do them both at the same time. Straight up, down, now 30 degrees. They call that scaption. And now, thumbs down, out. Straight out to the side. Good. Do it again. Straight up, straight forward, down, 30 degrees. And then thumbs down. Good, right there. All right, this one I'm called the Y and the T. So you're gonna keep the hands, the arms about 30 degrees out. And back. Now keep those arms straight. I know the ball is smaller than what we usually have. So you wanna kind of like, all right, so it's kind of odd on this ball because you need a ball that's larger because your arms are so long. So let's do this. Come up. You're going to get on that bench and try it. So this is just to give people variations, what they can and can't do. If you have a much larger ball, it works well. Plus, it helps you to practice balancing on an unstable surface. But with this, yeah. That way you don't have to bow your hands way out. You're trying to keep that 30-degree angle the whole time. Up, back, and squeeze shoulder blades together. Yeah. Keep going. Again. Good, right there. Awesome. Ready? So, just for demonstrative purposes, this band is pretty tough, but you want one that you can do this like an X move, almost diagonal. Go ahead and show. Yes. So you pull them apart diagonally, squeeze shoulder blades together in the back. Squeeze shoulder blades together in the back, push the chest out every time you pull. Yeah. You come back to that arm straight out. And this one, everybody's just going to have to find the right band. which band is the right resistance for you, that you can actually do it. Good, right there. All right, ready? Band pull aparts. Push your chest out, squeeze shoulder blades. There you go. Keep it right in line with your chest. Don't go up or down. Good, right there. Now you're going to do shoulder protraction. Going to loosen those shoulder blades up. Those upper back muscles a little bit. Now you want to let your weight push down. Let your shoulder blades come together. Don't bend the arms. Now protraction, push back up. Yep. Get them shoulder blades together, apart. Do some more. Together. Basically let the chest sink. All right, now, a little more advanced. What I'm gonna have you do, get in a push-up position. You can have your feet as wide or as close as you want. I don't care. That doesn't matter. Now do the same move. And you do want to focus. You don't want your hips dipping. You want to focus on keeping a straight line head to toe. Don't crane your head down. Right there, right there. That's all the further you need to look up. Stay right there. Shoulder blades together. Can they come together any more than that? All right. And your whole shoulder joint will loosen up over time. That's good right there. Now you're going to try to do the shoulder protraction, retraction from a quadruped hover. So get right that right. Have your knees off the ground. That's harder than the push-up position, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is a tough one for you. Come on, keep them knees off the ground.
It's hard for me.
We know how we are. We have no excuses. That's good right there. Ready?
Yeah.
Gonna do this exercise called thread the needle. Now your eyes follow your hands the whole way. On this one, your arms do bend. So let's start with the right hand threading through first. The left arm bends. Head and shoulder go to the ground, all the way to the ground, all the way to the ground. Now come up, eyes follow hands. You're just trying to get straight toward the ceiling. If you can do that, it's perfect. Down, 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 touch. Back up. Eyes follow hands. Twist that neck. Now, other hand. All the way down, 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 down. Shoulder and head touch. Do you feel more flexible on one side than the other?
This side.
Okay, keep going. Eyes follow the hands the whole time. Down. It's not uncommon for one arm, one leg, one shoulder to be more flexible than the other. But that's the purpose for doing something unilaterally. One arm, one leg at a time. You can shore up differences, discrepancies from right to left, front to back. Good, right there.
Finally, I want to encourage you to give these exercises a try. Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how they work for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on general and neurological fitness. Together, we can work towards a healthier, pain-free lifestyle.